Maintenance Manager is the most advanced, reliable and endorsed maintenance software on the market because it's clear, integrated and more efficient than any other software. It's designed to enhance the maintenance journey, so it fully integrates with your trust system to make running your business easier than ever before. If you're only managing maintenance in your trust system and not taking advantage of the efficiencies of Maintenance Manager, you're already missing out on fully automated reminders, which follow up the landlord, the tenant and tradespeople, full verification of tradies and management of contracts, and full transparency of all jobs and their status, where jobs are marked according to severity, so you know where to focus your energy. Using Maintenance Manager alongside your trust saves you time and money and reduces agency risk to protect you and the business.
Any trust system I've ever used, the maintenance side of things is very simple. Nothing is followed up on or automated. Everything has to be done manually, which takes a lot of property managers' time.
And this is where Maintenance Manager sets things apart because it's working in the background when you're not manually working on things to keep everything organised and people communicated.
Time saving and making sure that your contractors are actually insured. Maintenance Manager check all the insurances and take that risk away from us as an office. And we also have access to a larger pool of tradespeople. It's just a no-brainer.
I don't understand why you wouldn't use Maintenance Manager linked to your trust accounting software. It's all automated and it's all done for you.
Maintenance Manager is the most trusted workflow management software on the market and the only proactive standard that gives property professionals maximum value, maximum control and maximum peace of mind.
Using Maintenance Manager with our trust accounting system has simplified our office, our job and our life.